Don't tell anyone. Wow. The Diddy trial has taken a dramatic turn with the alleged leak of the unedited hotel video from the 2016 incident involving Cassie Ventura. What exactly does this unedited footage reveal that differs from what has been presented so far? And how has this leak impacted the courtroom proceedings on what's described as day 3 of the trial? The provided text heavily emphasizes the testimony of a hotel security guard named Israel Flores. Who is Israel Flores, and what makes his account so crucial to this case? The description paints a vivid picture of him encountering a chaotic scene involving a major music star and a distressed woman, Cassie Ventura, allegedly with a purple eye. What details did Flores provide about Cassie's condition and the immediate aftermath of the alleged incident? It was also mentions a shocking alleged attempt by Diddy to bribe Flores to remain silent. What exactly was offered, and how did Flores react to this alleged proposition? His refusal is highlighted as courageous. What were the potential risks he faced by rejecting this alleged bribe? Furthermore, the narrative suggests that the official video evidence mysteriously disappeared. If this is true, what implications does it have for the legal proceedings? Is the leaked unedited video the same as or different from this official evidence? And how did Flores's reported secret recording factor into the exposure of the truth? Let's delve deeper into the key aspects highlighted in the provided information. The unedited 2016 hotel surveillance video leak and its contents. The central point of this update is the alleged leak of an unedited hotel surveillance video from the 2016 incident involving Diddy and Cassie Ventura. The term unedited strongly suggests that previous versions or descriptions of this video may have been partial or presented a different narrative. What specific details are supposedly revealed in this unedited footage? Does it visually corroborate Cassie's past allegations of abuse? Does it align with or contradict previous testimonies or evidence presented in the case? The text implies that this footage reveals a side of Diddy the world was never meant to see, suggesting potentially incriminating actions or behaviors. Understanding the specific content of this leaked video is paramount to grasping its impact on the trial. Was there a physical altercation depicted? What were the immediate interactions between Diddy and Cassie following the alleged incident, as captured by the video? Israel Flores' first-hand account of the chaotic hotel scene. The narrative positions Israel Flores as a key witness due to his first-hand observation of the events. As a hotel security guard, he presumably was present at the location where the incident allegedly occurred. What exactly did Flores witness upon encountering Diddy and Cassie? The description mentions a chaotic hotel scene and Cassie being cornered, terrified. What were the specific visual and auditory cues that led Flores to this assessment? His testimony likely provided a direct human perspective on the situation, potentially offering details that a video alone might not fully convey, such as the emotional atmosphere or immediate reactions of those involved. What specific details did he recall about their demeanor and interactions? Cassie's condition and the alleged physical signs of distress. The text specifically points out Cassie's condition, noting a purple eye. This detail strongly suggests a physical altercation and corroborates allegations of physical abuse. In his testimony, what exactly did Flores describe about Cassie's physical appearance? Did he mention other signs of distress beyond the purple eye? His observations in the immediate aftermath of the alleged incident could be crucial in establishing the veracity of Cassie's claims. Did he offer any details about her emotional state or any statements she might have made at the time? Diddy's attempt to bribe Flores to keep quiet. The allegation that Diddy attempted to bribe Israel Flores is a serious accusation, potentially indicating an effort to obstruct justice. The text mentions an offer of a sack of money to forget what you saw. How did Flores describe this alleged bribe attempt in his testimony? What was the context in which this offer was made? The fact that this is highlighted suggests it was a direct and perhaps blatant attempt to silence a witness. What were the specific words allegedly used? The mention of a sack of money implies a significant and perhaps unsubtle offer. Flores's courageous decision to refuse the bribe and intervene. Israel Flores's refusal of the alleged bribe is portrayed as an act of bravery. What motivated him to reject this offer? Did he express any concerns for Cassie's well-being or a commitment to truthfulness? The text also mentions his intervention. In what way did Flores intervene in the situation? Did he speak to Cassie, confront Diddy, or take any other action based on what he witnessed. His actions beyond simply observing are crucial to understanding his role in potentially uncovering the truth. Physical confrontation and recording evidence. The mention of a physical confrontation suggests that Flores might have witnessed or intervened in a physical interaction between Diddy and Cassie. What details did he provide about this alleged confrontation? Furthermore, the reference to Flores' secret recording is intriguing. What did this recording allegedly capture? Was it audio, video, or both? And how did this recording come to light? The existence of such a recording could provide independent corroboration of Flores' testimony and the events of that night. The vanishing video and trial evidence. The claim that the official video evidence mysteriously disappeared raises serious questions about potential tampering or obstruction. If this is true, what were the circumstances surrounding its disappearance? Was this disappearance ever explained? And how does the leaked and edited video relate to this missing official evidence? Is it the same footage that was supposedly lost, or is it a separate recording? The resolution of this discrepancy could be vital to understanding the integrity of the evidence presented in the trial. Conclusion: Flores' impact and future questions. The text concludes by emphasizing Flores' impact on the ongoing legal proceedings. His testimony, coupled with the leaked video and alleged secret recording, appears to be significant in building the case against Diddy. What are the immediate legal ramifications of this leaked video and Flores' testimony? How might this influence the direction of the trial and the potential outcomes? What other questions remain unanswered regarding this incident and the evidence presented? To truly understand the significance of this development, we need more specifics. What exactly does the unedited video show? What were the precise details of Flores' testimony? What is the content of his alleged secret recording? And what has been the official response from Diddy's legal team to these revelations? It's important to remember the disclaimer provided at the beginning of the text, cautioning that the information may be based on gossip, rumors, or exaggerated portrayals. Therefore, while this account is dramatic, it's crucial to seek verified and official sources to confirm the details of the leaked video and Flores' testimony. However, based solely on the information provided, the alleged leak of the unedited video and the testimony of Israel Flores paint a potentially damning picture. The combination of visual evidence, first-hand witness testimony of distress and an alleged bribe attempt, and the suggestion of missing official evidence creates a compelling narrative that could significantly impact the ongoing legal proceedings against Diddy. The courage attributed to Flores in refusing the alleged bribe and potentially revealing crucial information underscores the human element in this high-profile case, highlighting the potential risks individuals take in the pursuit of truth. The questions that linger are: what will be the legal repercussions of this leaked video? How will Diddy's defense address these new developments? And ultimately, will this evidence lead to a resolution that aligns with the alleged truths revealed by the unedited footage and Flores' account? The coming days of the trial will likely be pivotal in answering these critical questions. One can only imagine the tension in the courtroom as this alleged unedited video was presented, and as Israel Flores recounted his version of events. The stark contrast between the public persona and the side of Diddy the world was never meant to see, as the text suggests, must be striking. If the video indeed corroborates Cassie's allegations and Flores' testimony, it could be a watershed moment in this case. The disappearance of the official video evidence also adds a layer of intrigue and suspicion. Was this an accidental loss, or was there a more deliberate reason behind it? The emergence of the unedited version, if authentic, could circumvent any attempts to control or conceal the visual narrative of that night. Israel Flores' role as an apparent moral compass in this situation is also noteworthy. His alleged refusal of a bribe and willingness to testify, potentially at personal risk, speaks to a commitment to truth and justice. His first-hand account of Cassie's distressed state and Diddy's alleged actions provides a human anchor to the often abstract legal proceedings. The impact of this leaked video and testimony on public perception is also likely to be significant. If the public sees visual evidence that aligns with the allegations of abuse, it could sway opinion and put further pressure on the legal system to deliver a just outcome. In conclusion, the alleged leak of the unedited hotel video and the explosive testimony of Israel Flores, as described, represent a potentially pivotal moment in the Diddy trial. They raise serious questions about the events of 2016, the conduct of those involved, and the integrity of the evidence. The answers to the questions posed above will be crucial in understanding the full implications of these developments. What a turn of events! What will happen next?